Hey everybody, happy evening, it's popcorn time. Hey, we like the buttery popcorn, and look at this in the microwave. Listen to that. Microwave puts it on for 2 minutes and 5 seconds, and we run run it down to 15 seconds. And we find that it doesn't burn the popcorn, pops almost all the kernels. And look with the bag, look at that. It's buttery, it's spinning around. Oh, you can just smell it. Are you getting hungry yet? Ah, I am. Always coming down. We're stopping her up 14 seconds, and here it is. Oh, look at that. Bag is hot. Yes, sir. In just a minute. Well, it's all popped. Look down the bag. There's not a kernel that's not popped. And there it is. So, 205 seconds, you take it down to 15 seconds, butter mixes, it pops everything, and it's not burned. Look at that. Take a deep breath. That's so good. Anyway, have a good night. It's always fun to pop popcorn and have a little snack when you're watching TV. I hope you're having a good day, good night, whatever it is in the hour that you're watching my little channel here. And subscribe and share with friends and family. But that's the best way to do the popcorn in the microwave. If it comes up and you press the button, 205 seconds. And you take it down to 15 seconds and you have great tasting, great smelling popcorn. Take care. God bless.